Ja, het is een sadist, hè. Ik vind dat doen.
Voor wat? Eerst bosken?
Eerst bosken,
We
hè?
moeten dat niet veel aan hun neus klein zetten.
Wat? Ah, dat wil je zeggen. Ja, dat is er misschien ook gedaan.
Ah, nee zeker.
Do you guys remember last week's video that we had a seized engine? If not, please check the previous video, and while you edit, subscribe to the channel to find out more about technical and nerdy stuff on a very amateuristically manner. Nothing fancy here. Oh, 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 oh. Ja. Iets uit je zeg.
Maar nou moet je ook genoeg kunnen voor de lucht te leggen, hè. Wat is misère?
Zit er? Kun je nog
Ga je hier staan?
Kun je nog hoger?
Ik kan niet overstappen. Omhoog.
Ja, nog omhoog. Wacht,
Dus op dat kantje toch, hè.
Ja.
Ik raak niet hoog genoeg.
Topsie! Weg, hè? Ik ook eens, hè? Ja! Oh, die staat aan het dier. Echt of wat? Ja, maar het is goed, het is goed, het is goed.
Dat die weg.
Nee.
Because we couldn't find any problem on the outside of the engine, we had to lift him out to inspect it further. I already discovered that the problem is most certainly not the cylinder, but that it's more likely the flywheel that is stuck. Afterwards we found out that that was the case. It was actually a really simple fix.
Ja, daarom gaat dat allemaal vol water gestaan. Ja. Staan nog wat aan. Ah, je ziet dat hier
Zo weinig spanning.
hier, dat is die aan het vliegwiel.
Ja,
Dus dat is even dik als deze.
This was full of water, so this all corroded.
And it fused the housing and the flywheel together.
We all scraped it off with sandpaper, so now it's nice and clean again. So it has a free movement. But because here was all water, I'm gonna do a little hole so water can be drained. Now, one problem is that these O-rings that needs to tighten up this screw, this bolt, is broken and it's not original. And you have two ways to see that. The other one doesn't have it and it's not straight. If it was straight, maybe it was from the factory, but it's for sure not. So yeah, I'm gonna risk it and reuse it. I don't think it's big of a difference, but it broke for a reason. So if the other side breaks, it falls apart and everything is loose. Then we have a big problem. This way, the tongue.
You can clearly see there is almost no room between the housing and the flywheel. For sure down here, and that's where it was rusted together.
Plup, plup, plup.
Like new.
Touching it. And if it's